How can I get my child or teenager to clean up after themselves? I'm sure this battle has been waged since humans first set up camp. Jacob, Sienna, for the 100th time, pick those bones up and put them on the bone pile away from the fire, please. Stop leaving your rocks and sticks lying around. Someone will trip up on them. I'm sure you can relate, and this can be triply difficult when it comes to cleaning bedrooms. In considering this problem, it's useful to recognise there are two types of people in the world. Those that are neat and tidy, and those that aren't. Further to this, kids and teenagers need space to get messy, to throw every item from their wardrobe onto the bed as they search for that right pair of jeans or t-shirt. Don't panic when you see these things. There are things you can do. I think it's important to have standards with regard to shared spaces and bedrooms. Having standards helps our kids have respect for their possessions and therefore other people's possessions. Having standards helps our kids be mindful that their belongings and behaviour shouldn't hurt or annoy someone else. Having standards helps our kids to become aware that leaving food around is unhygienic and leads to en masse invasion of ants. Having standards helps kids to cope when what they want to happen, not tidying up, doesn't align with what someone else wants. This doesn't mean sending your child off on their own to sort through the mountain of clothes or toys they have to navigate to get to bed each night. This will only end in the task not being completed, tears, yelling, or all three of these. These kind of tasks are best completed together. Now, I can hear you say, "What? I didn't make this mess. I've asked them millions of times to put that stuff away." This might be true. However, completing the task together will help your child learn to manage large jobs and not get so overwhelmed as they'll have your adult brain in support. And let's be honest, cleaning their room is not really their priority, it's yours. One way to avoid large battles around cleaning up and the corresponding tension is inviting your child or teenager to pick up after themselves more frequently. I'm not talking about a written invite, although possibly a letter through the post might get their attention. Something like, "When you finish what you're doing, could you please return those clothes, Lego, cup, PJs to where they need to go?" Try not to hover, give your kid a chance to comply. However, they might need to be asked again, and possibly this time with a time limit. A little while ago I asked if you could pick up your cup. Could you please do that before you go back outside? This won't always be successful. They might need to be asked again. They might need to be asked about what the house rules are around picking up after themselves and what might happen if you have to ask them again. Remember, it is okay for you to help your child or teenager complete tidying up tasks. This isn't giving in, but might help things feel less like an order and less overwhelming for your child. When they do what they have been asked to do, reward them with something small, something unexpected. Hey, I got this for you for helping out today. Something else that can help is grabbing some cardboard boxes so that collections of Barbies, hats, shoes, and very important artwork can be easily stored rather than flooding the bedroom floor. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful in helping your family be their best. If you like what you've heard today, like our page and share with someone who you think this might benefit. See you next time.